Hello, here's a interesting search warrant delivery by the New Jersey State Police here in Egg Harbor Township, New Jersey. This was during the month of January 2025, and you can see some interesting developments taking place, some neighbors taking a look there about 10 p.m. on a weeknight, and this is an exclusive video, by the way, from AtlanticCity.news. That's www.atlanticcity.news, your place for Atlantic City, New Jersey, and Atlantic County News. Watch the SWAT vehicle right there as it approaches the residence. There was potentially a suspect inside this condominium, and instead of battering ram the door, the Atlantic County SWAT team and New Jersey State Police simply hooked up a 15-foot device to the front of the SWAT vehicle, very nonchalantly, by the way, in the course of 1 minute, and simply approached the door. And as you can see there, it is open now. You barely saw the truck move. That was brilliant. Now you see the officers in full riot gear moving in. Still, there's no suspect. And the tense standoff, so to speak, continues. Here, above the search warrant delivery is a New Jersey State Police drone keeping watch of what was going on there. And again, even though the door was skillfully opened, there was no suspect appearing. In other words, he was still in a standoff with the police who were serving the search warrant. And shortly afterwards, you can see more footage of the drone. The drone changed positions a few times, got different angles of the scene. There's some more units that arrived on the scene. And again, the suspect, it was sort of a tense standoff. He was not coming out. What would you do in that situation if you were in a condominium? There's roughly 25 officers in the front. New Jersey State Police, again, leading this search warrant delivery here in Atlantic County, New Jersey. This community is probably, it's attached to Atlantic City, Egg Harbor Township, New Jersey, and this specific location is just maybe 6 to 7 miles west of Atlantic City. So again, this is an exclusive video. You won't find this video anywhere else. Look at the officers behind the vehicles here, taking cover just in case. I hope you like that video. Now, word from our sponsor here. Again, another Atlantic County business.
4x4.
AtlanticAutoGroup.com. Salesperson Donovan here showing a 2024 leftover Dodge 2500 Ram pickup. Thanks for watching. Please go to AtlanticCity.news. Follow the site. Patronize the advertisers there, and thank you for watching.
24 Ram 2500 HD. It's got the supercharged Hemi. 6.2 is it?
6.4.
6.4. How much more is it?
About another 5 to 6 grand.
5-6 grand. But you're going to make the best deal on this one.
I'm going to make the best deal on this one I can, yeah.
Right.
Because you're financing, correct?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, no, I might be leasing.
You might They don't lease well.
Really?
They do not.
Oh. Ooh.
They do not. The Ram 1500s do, but this don't.
Really? It's got the cab.
These don't lease well.
It's got the cab lights.
Your best bet with this is the financing. These don't lease well.
I'm with Donovan here.
Ah, I'm gonna be on video now.
We're selling this truck to me.
Geez.
I'm buying it. I'm buying it. Going all over the world with it.
Oh, jeez.
It's
Can
got
we drive it now?
It's got the cab lights. What else does it have? It's got. What are these?
Those are turning signal indicators.
I like those.
I believe so. I believe that's
I like them. They're nice.
Oh, look at this sexy beast.
It's a beast.
Yeah, she is.
She's a beast. 2,500 heavy duty. What's the gross vehicle weight on it about?
Good question.
12?
1,200 pounds.
12,000?
12,000 pounds. What, you mean total capacity?
Yeah.
Total
No,
capacity 1,400.
the gross vehicle.
Oh.
GVW. It's on the side door.
12,000.
It's got the supercharged Hemi. Single exhaust?
Yeah, it's a single exhaust.
Ooh. So you don't have to worry about two exhaust pipes. It's got the tow package.
It comes standard. That's standard.
Standard.
That's standard.
Nice. You got the 7-pin and the 4-pin. Nice. Big horn. I'd go to spring training in this baby.
Yeah.
I'd drive it straight down to Florida.
Got it. So now we're in the cold. Let's get some warm. Let's ride.
I'd drive.
Let's ride.
You got a light jacket on.
No, I'm just saying.
Let's look at the back seat.
The back seat.
I'm going right down to spring training on this baby.
I bet you are.
I am going to see the. I'm going to see the Phillies. Look.
Of course. Look at this sexy beast.
I'm going to put 1,000 miles on it straight off the bat.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Look at this sexy beast.
All right, it's got cab lights on it. It's got the infotainment system. Do you know much about that?
Yeah, I know a little bit. I know everything about this truck.
I'm with Donovan. He's a Ram expert.
Mm-hmm.
If I don't buy it, maybe there's somebody in Philadelphia will.
Oh, my God.
It's got the what? What screen is that?
That's the 10.4.
Nice, nice. And it's got the tow. Let's continue this conversation inside. Nice. Nice. Oh.
Slowly get in there.
I don't want to bang this car.
Please don't.
I don't want to bang that car. Here, hold this. Put me on. Oh. I can't get in.
You can.
I need a hoist. Oh. I need a hoist. Thank you.
Oh my God.
It's all right. It's no problem. It's an iPhone. It's built.
It's in trouble. Oh, look at the
All right.
heated seats.
This looks like a cock.